Big-name consulting firms like McKinsey, Bain, and BCG all excel at one thing: creating amazing presentations for their clients. However, it's not just the formatting and design that make these presentations so special. It's the story they tell. Hello everyone, I'm Kyla from Venngage. Today, I'll teach you how to make compelling presentation deck and reports through visual storytelling. When building a report or a presentation, regardless of the audience, you have one primary goal: to make it as easy as possible for the audience to understand what you're trying to tell them. However, this can be challenging. Business presentations often contain a lot of data and information, making it difficult for the audience to grasp the key insights right away. So it's important to structure your presentation clear, insightful, and engaging. And to achieve this, two concepts come into play: the SCQA Framework and the pyramid principle. Today, we're going to focus on the SCQA Framework. This framework primarily structures the basis of your story in the presentation. It stands for situation, complication, question, and answer. Every presentation is an answer to some question, such as, should we acquire this company? Or, how did this marketing campaign perform? The SCQA Framework allows you to provide context for that answer. To use this framework in practical terms, your main deck is used to show your answer. And the situation, complication, and the question are how you provide context for that answer. Let's consider a consulting case of Tesla, which seeks to increase market share and profitability in the EV industry. When presenting to the executives, the main part of your presentation will be the actual recommendation and all of the supporting details. However, the introduction slide will include the situation, complication, and question. The situation is how things are right now. That is, Tesla is a leading player in the EV market. The complication represents a change in that situation and is the reason why the presentation is needed. That is, growing competition from traditional automakers entering the EV market. The question is what gets raised by the complication and what needs to be solved. That is, how can Tesla maintain its competitive edge and expand market share? Then, the answer is the resolution, which is expand production capacity to meet growing demand and reduce delivery lead times. Notice how this framework brings the presentation to life. The narrative puts the presentation in context and tells the audience why they should care. To create presentations impressively like this, you want to ensure that the structure of the presentation is solid. For that, you'll need a well-structured template. Consider Venngage for this purpose, as it provides professional-looking templates for pitch decks, consulting proposal presentations, infographics, and more. In short, it offers all you need to make a compelling presentation. These templates can be customized very easily and shareable in any format that you prefer. The second concept to be followed to make a compelling presentation is the pyramid principle, which I'll cover in the next video. That's it for today's video. Try using Venngage for free. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Make sure to follow us on all of our social media accounts, and until next time, happy charting.